Chris Hemsworth thanks wife Elsa Pataky during Walk of Fame ceremony. Chris Hemsworth, well known for his role as Thor in Marvel Cinematic Universe, expressed his appreciation for his wife Elsa Pataky. In his Hollywood Walk of Fame address, Hemsworth appreciated his wife's support throughout his career. Hemsworth attended the event with his wife Elsa Pataky and his daughters India Rose, Sasha, and Tristan right before the premiere of his new film Furiosa, Mad Max Saga. He said, "I want to say thank you to my beautiful wife, who has been here for my entire career, basically by my side, endlessly encouraging and supportive. And it doesn't get lost on me that she put aside her own dreams in order to support mine. And again, I am forever in your debt," Hemsworth continued. The Avengers star went on to say, "The reality is that nothing I do, any of these moments, special occasions, or events, is memorable without you at my side. I love you."